Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Cambodian style grilled fish, and today I'm using mackerel. We're going to serve this grilled fish with green mango salad. So let's start together. First, we need to slice one lemon. You can use lime instead if lemon is not available. Chop some chili. This chili is not spicy at all, but it will release the good aroma to the fish after grilling. And then crush 5 cloves of garlic. You don't need to chop it, just break it apart. And we need to stalk of lemongrass. Smash it with rolling pin or the back of your knife. I'm using the white bottom part because it has stronger flavor and fragrance. And then cut it into 2 inches and set it aside. Now it's time to make the marinade for the fish. It's just a simple marinade. Grate 2 cloves of garlic. You can chop it, but make sure to chop it finely. And then add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a slice of lemon juice, and 4 pieces of dry chili. Mix everything until combined. This is our marinade. Isn't it easy? Now it's time to clean the fish. We all know that the fresher the fish, the tastier it is. So try to find the fresh one as you can. Cleanly wash the fish inside and out, especially don't forget to remove the black stomach lining in fish belly and the kidney. After cleanly washed, use kitchen paper towel to pat dry the fish. Score the fish on both sides so the marinade can go inside the fish easily, and the fish as well can absorb the marinade quicker. Now it's time to marinate the fish. Brush the sauce all over the fish and don't forget inside its belly. We want to make the fish taste delicious both inside and out. Now we have to make the bottom base for the fish, like a bed before it goes into the oven. We have to put the lemongrass, garlic, chili, and lemon. And put the fish on top. It looks so pretty right now, and I'm sure it tastes delicious. Put the fish in oven and bake it for 40 minutes at 180 Celsius. Now it's time to make green mango salad. So chop green mango thinly And be careful, watch your hand if you do like me. Try to cut the mango deep inside so you can get more thin slice, but if you don't, it will come in big chunk. Add in the sliced garlic, shallot and chili. Some cherry tomato and green onion. This looks so beautiful, right? For the seasoning, put 4 tablespoons of fish sauce and half tablespoon of sugar. Mix everything until combined, especially make sure that the sugar is well dissolved. This salad tastes sour, salty and sweet. It's just a good combination of 3 flavors together. After 40 minutes, our fish is done. Doesn't it look delicious? Now it's time to serve. Serve this grilled fish with rice and some dipping sauce as well as the vegetable. Especially with the green mango salad we made earlier. The whole dish is so yummy, so I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question or comments, please let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to click like to my video and subscribe to my channels. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!